officially the season of love, and I'm so excited to be bringing a Valentine's Day inspired home transformation, home decoration. You guys, I'm just so excited because, Valentine's Day is only once in a year. So let's just go ahead and enjoy it and decorate and get our homes ready for the season.
That's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you.
I mean, when I think about Valentine's Day, guys, it's like, who doesn't love love? As far as or as long as you're a human being, I'm sure we all love to be loved. But the thing is, Valentine's Day is not just supposed to be the only day, you celebrate the people in your life, your loved ones. It's something that you have to do every day, guys. You want to, always make them know that, they are loved, they are cherished. But yeah, it's still a blessing being able to have, a day specifically, declared, or a day specifically known to be, for love. So anyways, you guys, I decided to, of course, decorate my home for the season. And also, if you're new to my channel, you probably do not know, but our wedding anniversary is on February the 12th. So Valentine's Day is always a huge season for, I and my family, I and hubby, and we're going to be 14 years in marriage this year. Sometimes when I think about it, I'm like, wow, how time flies, because it was just yesterday we got married and now it's 14 years. But anyways, you guys, as you guys can see, I went ahead to, open up my windows, vacuum, clean up, and of course, you guys know that spring is in the air. Spring is almost here, and I love to take out the spring season to clean and, just make sure I deep clean, from my curtains to my rug and all those things. So definitely look out for my spring, transformation, or should we say spring decoration. But anyways, guys, this is more like a refresh. As you guys can see, we just vacuumed and also cleaned up. And over here, I'm starting to put my throw pillows. You guys, if you're into decorations, there's just something about putting your throw pillows on your couch, your sofa. It just lifts it. Just imagine a plain sofa. It's just plain, there's nothing on it, but by the time you go ahead and put your pillows, your throw blankets, it just adds a very nice texture. And also, I don't even know how to explain it, guys. But anyways, I went ahead also and added these hat pillows I picked up from Target. And another thing I want to say is, when it comes to seasonal decor, apart from Christmas, you don't even need to spend too much, guys. This decor probably cost me around maybe $100, because I picked up few pink looking items for my decorations. But yeah, you can just go ahead and switch out things. As you guys can see, I just put on, I just added a very small throw pillows, mixed it in with my white pillows to kind of give it that touch of Valentine's Day look. Those pillows were I think $5 or $10 from Target. So, and also, you guys, you already know that everything you see in my videos are always linked in my description box in case if you're interested. From the sweater I have, I absolutely love this sweater. I believe this sweater is from Amazon. Yes, it's from Amazon, and it's just a perfect sweater for Valentine's Day. And also all the decor, the decor items I have are either from Walmart or Target, guys. We're not spending much this Valentine's Day season, but still, once you're able to add that touches of pink and red, you can just see how it uplifts the whole space. So that is basically what I'm going on to do here, and I absolutely loved how everything came together.
Each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what
So once the living room is ready, we're going to go ahead and, just clean up the hallway and also decorate and put some touches of pink in the hallway. I love to make everything rhyme, guys. So, of course, I went ahead with, cleaning up the mirror in the hallway, cleaning up my console table, and also added some, like I said, some touches of pink flower, also from Target, guys. Like, it's not, most of the things I used for today's decor is very, very cheap, very, very affordable.
Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love, all that we have is each other now.
Honestly, guys, cleaning, decorating, refreshing is one thing I absolutely, love doing. I can never get tired of it, guys. It's like, especially when you decorate, maybe for the season or, you just want to refresh your home, just being able to have something to look forward to. Like, let's say, for instance, we have Christmas decor, we have Valentine's Day, we have spring decor. Like, it gives me something to always look forward to, it makes the whole thing fun, honestly. But anyways, guys, so we're gonna quickly go into the kitchen, as you guys can see, and we're not doing much with the kitchen. All I just want to do is go ahead and wipe down the countertop, the dining area, because of course the kids eat on this particular dining, so they always mess everything up. So taking out the time to clean and vacuum, and also of course on the floor sometimes they eat and they have particles. Even though when they eat, they always clean up. They always clean up after themselves, but they can never clean it perfectly. So I always take out, like, for me personally, deep cleaning is something I do like every single weekend. Like maybe on Saturdays, days where I don't feel like it on Saturday, I do it on Sundays. But yeah, I love to deep clean every weekend, and then within the week, and I can just kind of clean here and there, nothing serious. And another thing about me is I love to clean as I go. I'm not the type of person that kind of jumble and pack everything to the weekend, because it gets so overwhelming. So anyways, guys, I went ahead and of course cleaned up the dining area, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add this table runner. And I absolutely love this table runner, guys. As you guys can see, it has kind of a heart design on it. I just love the fact that it comes with a pink and red. It's just perfect. Look how simple that looks. And also, of course, for my stove, I'm gonna go ahead and add some towel, and the towel just tied the whole thing together because it has some heart design. All you need is love. Of course, we all know that all we need is love. Love is so essential when it comes to mankind, when it comes to everything in life. Love, it's very, very important, guys. But yep, I just went ahead and also added this wreath. I added this wreath to my stove hood. And of course, you can, there is no how, like we can't complete a Valentine's Day decor without some Valentine's Day mug, or should I say coffee cups. And of course, I picked this up also from Amazon, very, very affordable. And as you guys can see, I just switched out like my old mugs and put this one in here for the season. And yep, guys, and also I forgot to tell you guys, like today's video we're gonna be baking also, because for Valentine's Day my kids, they always they always ask for cake all the time, but specifically for Valentine's Day they always ask me for cake. So I just went ahead and just cooked up something very, very simple, something very, very quick. But yep, guys, when it comes to the kitchen decor, as you guys can see, we just kept it very, very simple. We're not doing too much for this year. Just put some pink flowers, some towel, wreath, and also a table runner, and it just it made the kitchen pop. You can never go wrong with pink and red. Pink and red is such a beautiful, like, bright colors that you can never go wrong with. So yeah, guys, that is basically it. And then over here we're gonna quickly scoop up some cake. As you guys can see, I added some butter, milk, eggs, and also the cake I'm making today, guys, it's the box dry ingredients. So I just went ahead and added my buttermilk and egg, which are the wet ingredients. I added them up in my mixer, and I'm just going to mix everything and then go ahead and add the powdered ingredients. And yeah, cake was ready in like 1 2 3. It was so simple. This is the way I love to make like cake, on days where I don't really want to do too much. I mean, everything is already done for you. All you need is just to mix the wet ingredients, and that's it. But let me tell you guys, this cake, it came out so banging. It was so good. I mean, the colors, as you guys can see, it also had like some sprinkles inside the cake. It really, it tasted so well. Like, it tastes so good. And of course, over here I'm gonna add some cake, what is this called again? Cake foil. It's not foil but yeah, I went ahead and added that, and also sprinkled some oil on it. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and scoop in my cake, bake it on 350 degrees for maybe 20 25 30 minutes, and that's it, guys. Like, this cake, it just made everything. And another thing is, when it comes to my kitchen, I always love to have something eatable on my island. So when we finished with this, I went ahead and added the cake to my island, and yep, it tied the whole thing together, honestly. And of course, my family, they are lovers of cake. So the kids, they have snack, they have things to go to school with, and yep.
You won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love.
Just to make it look really nice, and attractive, I decided to add some icing, and this was so fun, guys. Actually, after I finished filming this video, the cake finished in like 2 days, and I had to make one with the kids, and they really they enjoyed the icing part. You guys know kids now. Kids and sugar are like 5 and 6. But anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, because I like really had fun creating it for you guys. And yep, guys, please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye.